Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Derek and this is I Got a Tech channel. Now today we're going to be unboxing the Duracell M250 portable power station. Now you can catch this one on Amazon for 200 bucks. Now of course I didn't pay that, I waited for the sale, I got it for 150. Now some of the key features are a tiltable lid, charging dock, has a little cord storage, and has a MagSafe charger as well. So we're going to unbox everything. We're going to plug up a couple items and see how well it's working, see if it's quality, and see if it's worth your money. So, but first, before we get into that, if this is your first time stopping through, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, become part of the fam. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you don't miss a vid. We're going to be back every week with these bangers. So we're going to dive right in the review. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Go ahead and open this up. See what we get in the box. A little envelope. See what we got in here. This little measuring tool. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. All right, a little cardboard. Set that down. Thing got a little weight to it. Now it is 4.5 pounds, so it's not that heavy, but look at that. It is like a brick though. All right, so right out the box, let's see, here's your charging plate. Throw that sticker off. Oh, this is the MagSafe charger up top. If I can get this off. There we go. Ooh, that ain't come off perfect, but hey, what you gonna do? No, tiltable lid. So a couple key features we have for this. It could charge your laptop 3 times, your phone 14 times, your tablet 8 times, your earbuds 100 times, your smart watches 100 times, and your drone 9 times. Now this is what it says from the website. Of course, that's subjective to the different devices and how big the batteries are. So it's just a rough estimation in my opinion. All right, so the power station is 250 watts. It's 219 watt hours and 60,000 milliamps. The wireless pad on top, the MagSafe one, puts out 15 watts. The AC port puts out 100 watts. The first USB-C puts out 100 watts and it's actually 60 watts in. So if you wanted to plug in a USB-C and charge it directly, it's only going to give you 60 watts in. And the second USB-C is only going to put out 60 watts. Now the two USB-As both only put out 18 watts apiece. Now again, this does come with its own charging dock, so you can charge it wirelessly. So if you charge it on the charging dock, it takes roughly 5.5 to 6 hours to charge. And if you plug it up directly, it's roughly about 3 hours to charge. So if you want to go and you need to charge a little faster, you can plug it up directly. So let's go ahead and finish unboxing it. Let's see exactly what the charging station looks like. Charging dock. Okay. All right, feeling it. Now this has a little like cord storage underneath there where you can wrap the cords around, so you don't have all that clutter. Has the little rubber pads on the bottom, I guess to keep it from sliding. Now all these materials do feel premium, and I love the fact that it looks like the old school Duracell batteries. Loving that look. Now some of the other key features is it has a dimmable light right here. Let's see if we can cut it on first. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Now you got the LED indicator to let you know how much battery you have on there. Has the dimmable lights. It has 4 light features, or settings I should say. So you can make that as bright as you like. But Definitely feels like a quality product. Let's go ahead and plug in the dock and make sure that it's charging. All right. Go. Let's see. Now, so you can get a good look at everything. Has a little carrying handle right here. Again, it's only 4.5 pounds, so it's not as heavy as it looks, but this thing is a brick. This feels like a brick. I don't know if I got it sitting on here right. Oh no, it is on there. It is charging, as you can tell by the LEDs. So there you have it. But we want to see if it's working before we leave it on the dock. So let's get this set up so I can plug up a bunch of products. And we can see if this thing can really charge all these items at once. Of course, we got the MagSafe. So let's go ahead and slap that on. As you can see, Z Fold 7 is charging up. All right, let's go ahead and grab a cord. Let's do some earbuds. Put that in another port. I might not have to rip this whole thing off. Let's see. I don't know if you can see the LED. The earbuds are lighting up. Let's go ahead and try out the A ports. Let's see here. We have the Nintendo Switch. Oh, I think I messed it up. You seeing it though? It is 100% already, but I shouldn't have left it on the charger. But you can see, you got the indicator that it is charging. Now the Switch 2 isn't fully charged. Let's go ahead and plug that up. Let's go ahead. Let's plug this up at the top. There you go. Charging. Set that to the side. How about we go ahead and plug up the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see it up close, but boom, charging. Sit that down, and let's pull out the big boy. Let's get the MacBook Pro in here. Let's see if it's strong enough to really charge up the laptop. And you know what? Because this Switch is fully charged, let's grab another device. But you can't, I don't know if you can see, but the LED is definitely showing that it's charging. But we're gonna unplug the switch and let's just plug up the Z Fold 5. Now that's charging up. So at once, we have 6 devices all being charged at once. So it definitely worked. I'm sure you can plug up, all type of items to this. Anything that you pretty much, got on your desktop. I just wanted to show y'all that it will charge up all these items at once. It does charge all the items that they say it will. I don't have a drone or anything here to plug up, but I mean, if it's strong enough to charge the laptop, you know, the switch, a couple phones, a watch, and some earbuds, I think it'll pretty much handle anything you can throw at it. So I'm going, before I let you go, I'm gonna go ahead and dim the light so y'all can actually see the LED a little better. I know y'all can't really tell too much. So we're gonna unplug all of this. Get this out the way. So I know it's pitch black in here, but that's the first setting, second setting, third setting, and fourth setting. Now this thing does get super bright. You can probably use it as a night light, or even just a light for like a late night working space if you don't want to wake everybody up. I mean, this will definitely illuminate your whole desk. I'm seeing everything on the desk perfectly fine right now. But I just wanted to show y'all how bright it does get. It's kind of hard to tell during the daylight. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. As you can see, everything did work as it was supposed to. Like I said, definitely a premium product. I can see myself using this on the go. I mean, I'm sure like if you're out and about and you need to charge your laptop and a bunch of other devices, you could just throw this in the backpack, throw this in the trunk, keep it in the car. You know, maybe get some work done outside, however you will want to utilize it. But I almost missed this little vent right here. I don't know if you can really see the texture out here. See all the little perforated holes through here where you can almost kind of see through it. But all in all, I feel like it's a good product. I won't know for sure until I test it for a while, really see how long it lasts. But in my opinion, I mean, especially if you get this for sale for $150, I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, you know, to have a portable power station like this, I mean, you're getting almost triple the battery of what you would get from, you know, a basic, portable charger. So, you know, depending on the type of charger you got, it could be quadruple. So I'm feeling it. I wonder if y'all feeling it. Make sure that y'all leave a comment below. Let me know how y'all liking it. Is this something that you would purchase for yourself or purchase as a gift for somebody else? If you would, let me know down below. But again, you know, if this is your first time stopping through, make sure that y'all, before you leave up out of here, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a vid. And remember, the key to success is put God first and put in that work. And we out.